Guys, welcome to Cypress Falls Park here in North Vancouver.
Peng, let's ask them. You ask them. Peng, you ask them. Hi. Sorry, we're looking for the waterfalls. Okay. Oh, that's fine. Thank you. We just don't know how where to go. Okay. 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 Thank you so much. Thank you.
Welcome to Cypress Falls Park here in North Vancouver. So, it's another 20-30 minutes walk from where exactly we are. So, let's go. Let's keep walking. Guys, the water is so cold, but it's so refreshing. I have to wash my hands because it's really dirty. It's so nice in here. Welcome to Cypress Falls Park. How's the water?
So refreshing. I love it.
It's so cold, right?
Sweat, I will do it.
Okay, let's go now to the waterfalls.
Yes, let's go.
So guys, I'm her photographer today. That's so sad. Nakabatay. Okay. Bilisan, ang daming lamok. There's so many mosquitoes here. Okay. Gusto mo nakaganito? Nakaganito yung camera o nakaganito? Okay. Game. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. Oh. Welcome to Cypress. Lagi ako nagkakamali.
Balik.
Guys, welcome to Cypress Falls Park here in North Vancouver.
So guys, we're lost. We actually
We went to heaven.
we went to a wrong place. So I just actually watched the video about these two couple that we asked about the direction, and yeah, we don't have to cross the bridge. We can stay on this side, like on the left side. So yeah, we're back again in this bridge, and now we have to go. Where? Oh my God, where?
Oh.
Hi.
Hey.
It's the Cypress Falls.
Yeah.
In the side.
Yeah, you just follow the road.
Okay, thank you.
We went to the other side.
Yeah.
But it was
I told you.
ganda thing.
right behind me is the Cypress Falls here at North Vancouver. So guys, welcome to Cypress Falls Park here in North Vancouver.
Hope you enjoy the vlog. So thank you so much for watching my video. And if you do like my video, just like this, right behind me, waterfalls. It's one of the tourist destination here in North Vancouver. So thank you so much for watching my video. And if you do like my video, guys, please comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe. And again, thank you. And see you again on my next vlog. Bye-bye.